Hi guys, my name is Santosh. I'm the Engineer Technical Director at Message Maker. First of all, welcome you all to our headquarters. Apologies, I am not here in the building. I had to go to a wedding in India. Somehow Daniela roped me into doing this video. Just wanted to talk about a journey of development of MS1s. As you know, the MS1s were one of the first pieces of digital signage on the UK motorway network. They were developed, I think, 19 years ago. So most of the signs on the network now are old. People are lacking spares. They're very hard to maintain, and they're just failing. So we've taken up the challenge of developing a newer version of MS1s. So our development started when TFL/Cubic came to us for a project where they wanted to replace some old MS1 signs. The challenge there was the budget was only to replace the signs and not the cable infrastructure or the bracketry and associated ancillaries. So we have developed the MS1 with the aim of making swap outs as easy as possible. So we have used the same sort of connectors for power and data. We've matched the protocols. We've also made the brackets so that they can be easily installed on the existing gantry and post infrastructures. So we started off with an initial prototype where we mainly focused on the protocol compatibility to make sure the signs work same way as the old signs worked. Once we got through that stage, we've looked at the mechanical elements. We've tried to keep the design as similar as possible to the old MS1s, where you have a common central matrix and different target boards, so you can use the same central matrix to make type 211, 212, or 213. This is with the aim of making sure the customer has less inventory of spares. They're easier to manage and easier to maintain in the long run. So we went to a TFL test site with our first prototype and literally went through the process of changing, taking an old sign down, putting a new sign up. And with our design, we found out we were able to do it within a span of 15 minutes. So this trial at the TFL test site was quite successful, and we just had to do some tweaks to make the product even more easier to install and access. So we've done those changes and then did a trial on a live site at Blackwall Tunnel southbound entrance, where we've installed two 212 types of MS1s. The trial has been successful, and the signs have been in operation for over 4 months now. So since the trial in Blackwall Tunnel being a success, we've done a further trial for Cardiff City Council. It's on a road on the Queensgate Tunnel approach, where we've installed a 211 type of MS1. That was pretty smooth sailing. Didn't have any issues during installation. So I think we have created a product range which ticks a lot of boxes, such as being low powered and helping clients reach their sustainability goals. They're easy to install, which means there's less people on the road for less amount of time. They're lightweight. You don't need lifting equipment or road closures to install or uninstall them. Simple problems can be resolved by swapping parts out rather than taking the whole sign down. And they are compatible with the existing control systems and future methods of communication, such as direct IP control using a roadside controller. So it's really a product which I'm quite proud to be a part of the development team. If you look around the room, there should be one behind you. There's one MS1 installed downstairs for you to have a look at in flesh. That's it from me. Thank you for listening. I'll hand you over to Daniela.